AI isn't just about generating content anymore. It's about understanding your work. Let's talk about Work IQ and why it powers Microsoft 365 Copilot. Hey, it's Willis. Today, we're going beyond prompts and responses into what makes Copilot feel intelligent in your day-to-day work. That layer is called Work IQ. Most AI tools start with a prompt. You ask a question, you get an answer. Work IQ takes that to another level. It gives Copilot a semantic understanding of your conversations, your documents, your workflows, your relationships. So instead of reacting to isolated inputs, Copilot is grounded in context. That context is what makes the difference. Copilot is working from the actual flow of work inside your organization. That means responses are more relevant, more connected, and more useful. It's not just answering questions, it's continuing the thread of your work. Work IQ isn't something you open directly. It's the intelligence layer behind Copilot. So while Copilot is the experience, Work IQ is what helps it understand your business. See you next time.